All right, guys, so I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and we're about to do a walkthrough on this Brinkley 295 Air Model Z. Let's check it out. We're at the front of this Brinkley 295, and one thing you're going to notice about all the Model Z Brinkleys is they've got this nice big box on the front. Whether you need to get access to your storage and to your batteries, your propane tanks, if you want to come in from the top and just turn your propane tanks on. Something really nice about this is that it gives all this protection, keeps it all looking neat and nice. That's something that I really like about the Brinkley line. One thing on the 295 that you're going to get is you're going to get the BAL auto leveling system. So something really nice about these Brinkleys is that they do have auto leveling. You're not having to set up blocks and scotches under the tires to get it level, right? We have a jack that'll do leveling front to back, side to side for us, which makes everything really nice. One thing that really dresses these Brinkleys up are these lights. They're not overpowering, which I like about them. They're nice, clean white lights. So at night they set up, they look really nice setting in your campsite at night. Now let's come around and check out the camping site. So one thing the Brinkley 295 does is they give you a huge front storage compartment. I love this. I love that the doors are super big, so we can slide tubs in there, whatever you want to do, keep everything organized, slide it in. Full pass through all the way to the other side. Now, one thing you're going to see in Brinkley's, especially this 295, is you have outside speaker audio controls. Whether you're Bluetoothing your phone in, playing something on your laptop, you can listen to it through the speakers. Of course, we have a light switch for the inside LEDs. Up here, you're going to see two different disconnects. One is a storage disconnect. That's going to kill everything in the camper. It's going to kill all your residual draw to and from your battery out. And then they have a travel mode battery disconnect, which is really nice because that you can disconnect everything but still allow for things to work, like your 12-volt refrigerator, your auto leveling jacks, and your slides. Something really nice that Brinkley does for you is they separate what you want to disconnect, and that's really nice. Whether you're going to storage or traveling in it down the road, you can disconnect whatever you want. Now, on the camping side, one thing really nice about the 295 is they give you dual awnings. These awnings are on separate switches. We can run them in and out for us, in and out black awnings. You have LED lights underneath both awnings. Now, that's really nice. There again, it's like the front cap. We have really soft white light. I really like this lighting on the outside of the camper. Makes it look really nice. So on the off-door side of the camper, one thing that's really nice is they give you a P4 Nautilus system with a retractable hose. All right, so you don't have to worry about where you're going to put your hose. It's already built in for you. Just pull it out up to 30 feet of hose already in there for you. All of your winterizations and stuff are done right here, so you don't have to worry about crawling under a camper to find a valve to do your winterizations. It's all done out here via the pump. This is where your front cap lights turn on and off, is this little red switch right there, pump switch above it. But up here above all this is really nice, is you're going to see electronic gate valves. That's one thing Brinkley does for you that's really nice, is you have the ability to dump your black and your gray tanks with a push of a button. So something that's really nice on this Brinkley. Don't have to worry about getting your hands dirty, right? It's all done push of a button. So we'll go on in and check out this camper. So coming inside the Brinkley, you're going to see your control panels right here on the end of the cabinet. So whether you're turning your lights on and off, which are on a dimmer, which is really cool, max air fan controls, all of your slides, your awnings, all that is controlled right here. Now this is something you can do from your phone via Bluetooth if you download the app. So if you want to operate this stuff via Bluetooth, you can. You don't have to, but you have that option, which I think is really nice as well. You're going to see soft close on all your cabinets, which is really nice, right? A little bit of nicer feel to full time in a camper like this, and stuff like that. Big counter space. You're going to see all these seamless countertops. Really nice countertops in this Brinkley. But I like the sink being in the corner because you can come in here, you can lay down what you need to lay down real quick, unload your groceries in here. It's a really nice space. And you're going to see lots of cabinets, big cabinets, overhead cabinets, drawers, You know, really nice, well done, thought out storage space. Now, one thing nice about these Brinkleys is that on all of their cabinets, you're going to see dovetailing done, which is really nice. Real wood drawers, real dovetailed out drawers, which is really nice. You know, it kind of gives you that more home feel, right? That more luxury feel to it. Which is really nice. You're going to see really nice appliances and faucets and things like that. You get a 12-volt refrigerator, side-by-side fridge, freezer combo in here. This is really nice because you have that 380 watts of solar on top already on this Brinkley. That keeps the 12-volt fridge going down the road. Don't have to worry about running propane anymore, which is really nice. You're going to see a bigger residential style microwave over a 3-burner stove top. This does have that true vent to the outside in it, all right, which is really nice. You get a bigger oven in this guy, which is nice as well. So a travel trailer this size, you're not going to get that big of an oven sometimes. Really nice big pantry spaces. You're always going to see that in the Brinkley. So I like that they have adjustable shelving, of course, outlets to plug up stuff in there. Really nice. Maybe you want to make that a coffee bar. You could in there because you have the electricity and the lights in there, which makes it really nice. Now, in the rear of this camper, we're in the living room right now, but through here is a bunk room. You're not going to believe this. The kids are going to love having their own room in here, and you get a double over double bunk system in this room, which is really nice. Individual lights on a light switch for you, which is really cool as well. Big pantry, big closet, guys, with drawers going underneath. So plenty of space to hang their clothes up, put their stuff in there. Really nice. In this living room, you're going to see a bigger TV. They do the lighting around it on a switch. Now, that's one thing we're going to talk about and see in this camper is switches. They do light switches everywhere in Brinkley, so I love that feature. But really big TV. It is a smart TV over a fireplace. You got that electric heat to go along with the propane heat in this camper, which is really nice as well. And look at this, right? You're going to bring the kids are going to bring their friends. Everybody's going to need a place to sit. You can sit, everybody, watch the game in here, watch that movie at night. Really cool. The end recliners, they have power in them, heat in them. You're going to see a wireless charger with storage in your recliner on this end. Also, you're going to see your USB hookups for more power if you want to. The person sitting here needs to watch a tablet and keep it charged, they can. Really nice couch system. And all of these are recliners, guys, not just one, but they all 4 recline. So everybody can recline together, which I think is a really nice feature as well. LED lights on switches. Remember, switches are going to be everywhere. You're going to see that. One thing really cool about this $295 in this island is it has this little lift up island table, right? So this little bar table, I guess you want to call it, and little bar stools that come with it. Now, these bar stools, they store in the bedroom on the bed. The bed actually has straps for these bar stools, so when you travel, that's where they go. But I think this is a really nice feature, right? In the morning, have your coffee, have your toast. You can have it here at the bar, have a little place to sip. I think it's really cool because there's no true dinette in this, so they kind of give you a little bit of an extra feel. Coming down the hallway on your left before you get to the bedroom is the bathroom, right? So in the bathroom, it looks really nice in here and everything's laid out really well. So you get LED lighting behind your mirror. You get LED lighting in the shower. The glass doors in the shower are a tri-fold, right? And you get porcelain foot flush toilet, Dometic 300 series toilet. Really nice toilet in this, guy. So one thing really nice is the door on this bathroom. So the pocket door has auto locks. That's something Brinkley does for you. So when you shut the door, it locks, and you have to push down. And when it's stowed, it's locked. So you don't have to worry about a strap or anything going down the road, because it auto locks for you, which I think is a really nice feature. Now let's check out the bedroom. So we're in the bedroom, which is the front of this camper. And in the bedroom, you're going to see, walk around all the way. You got pretty good space. Queen bed in this guy, which is a true residential 60 by 80. You're going to have hanging wardrobes on both sides, which is really nice with two drawers going down. We've got pretty nice overhead cabinets, which is really nice. I like that they're actual cabinets instead of the lift cabinets. I like that better. I think you get more space out of them that way. Over here on this side, we get shelving. Now, one thing really cool about this shelving is that it does have a pass-through to the bathroom. So we can load the towels up here and we can grab them from the bathroom, which is really nice. Also in here is the hot water heater controls, and you can grab that from in here. You can grab that from the bathroom in there. So it has the tankless hot water heater in the bathroom for the for the camper. It's hot water and it's on demand, so you can set that temperature, take your shower, and never run out of hot water. Something to think about when buying a Brinkley. So one thing before we leave the bedroom that's really cool in a Brinkley in this 295 is that under the bed, all right, you kind of get this little shelving on both sides, which is cool, a little hidden stowaway storage. But underneath here is a lockable, all right, safe. So we can put anything that we want to put in there, keep it locked up, keep it away from the kids, or hide it from someone else that may be potentially in your camper. That's really nice feature. And in the 295, it comes with it. If you're interested in this 295 Air Model Z Brinkley, then, give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.